This is the amazing rope cutting trick. Now I'm going to take this rope right here and I'm going to put it into this box. Now you have to be very careful because it's a dangerous, amazing box. Here it goes down, thread it into the box. Watch closely. 1, 2, 3. Ha! Look at that! I cut the rope right into half. There's my rope. Now, you know, I kind of like the string hole, so I'm going to use some amazing glue and watch carefully. 1, 2, 3. Ha! And I think we have a whole piece of rope again. The amazing rope cutting trick explanation. Now, this uses these two pieces, and here's the real magic. This box, when you slide it, will actually have two pieces of string appear magically, even if there is no rope inside. So when you put it this way, there's nothing in there. When you slide it, the two pieces appear. So how to do this trick? You weave around the story of why you like rope, for instance, and as you're talking, you thread the rope right through the box, just like that. And there are no sharp objects inside there, rest assured. So once it's inside, you then, on a count of 3 or quick change, slide the boxes across. Now if you notice, you can show the sides because it does look like the rope is cut. And then, when you restore it, you can take out the string again. And that's the illusion.